Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to block someone on Monopoly Go. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. So let's get right into it. So basically here in Monopoly Go, you can add people and you can also remove them. So basically, is it possible to block someone in Monopoly Go? So basically, you can't actually block the player on Monopoly Go, but you can do the best thing next to that, so which you can remove them as a friend. So in order to do so, all you have to do is the following steps that I'll show you right here. So first, you have to load your Monopoly Go and navigate to the main menu. So once you have done that, you always go to your Friends tab. So after you have done that, here's your Friends tab, as you can see right there. And there, Friends. Yeah, you can see all your friends right here. So yeah, just choose the leaderboard, which I've shown you. So Friends, and then go to your leaderboard, and then you scroll down to the leaderboard to find the friend you want to unfriend. So basically, you want to do something like this. And then once you have seen the relevant player, just tap and hold their name, and then just remove them. So are you sure you want to remove the player? And just press remove, and basically that's how you just remove the bot and remove people from your friend list. And basically that's just not blocking them, but you'll see that they have unfriended you and they're basically blocked in a way. So that's just how you block someone in Monopoly Go. So if you like this video, thank you for watching and see you again next time.